Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to fix the YouTube loading problem, black screen issue and grey box error on Android phones. You can see this is the problem, how to fix it. Okay, let's get started. First of all, open your phone settings and scroll down. Then tap on apps option and tap on search bar, search for YouTube. Now search YouTube and tap on YouTube app and tap on force stops. Okay, scroll down, then click on storage, click on clear cache and clear data, delete. Okay, back, and now tap on permission option and first to last allow all permission. First camera allow, back, second contacts allow, back, and location allow, back. Another microphone, nearby devices, notifications, phone, photos and videos, allow all permission, complete. Okay, back to home screen. And now check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. My Wi-Fi already connected. Okay, done. Now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone. Okay, back to home screen. Open your Google Play Store or App Store, tap on search bar, search for YouTube, and now check update your YouTube app. My YouTube app already updated to the latest version. And now open YouTube app, and I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.